So in this kayak.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to book a resort here on kayak.com. So once you open up kayak.com, I want you to make sure that stays is selected and type in your location. So for example, if you wanted to go to Mexico, I will just type in Mexico right here. Actually, how about I search up Puerto Vallarta? Puerto Vallarta. I'll select it, select the date, and if all looks good, go ahead and press on search. Now, once you're here, if you want to filter by resorts, etc., simply just go to the top to where it says type of stay right here. So go ahead and press on type of stay. Make sure that hotels, rentals, and unique stays are all deselected. And just go ahead and press on show more. So if you're looking for different resorts, where it says hotels here, if you want to scroll down to where it says resorts only, go ahead and press on that and then press on apply. Now what you're going to be seeing is a refined search to a variety of different resorts being offered in the location. So you can kind of scroll down, view a bunch of different ones, whatever the case may be. You can also see what different websites are offering different price points. And if you want to go ahead and proceed with the booking, you can go through that way and book the resort of your choosing. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to book a resort on kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.